If you love penne alla vodka, then you need to try this summer-inspired version. This is my Rigatoni alla gin with green olives. It's a little lighter than the original, making it perfect for the warmer weather. I start by sauteing the onions in good quality cultured butter, then adding tomato paste to create the base of the sauce.
So you just want that on a medium heat because we don't want to burn the onions. There's nothing worse than a raw burnt onion. I said bunion. A raw burnt onion.
Once everything has started to caramelize, deglaze the pot. I love using gin in place of vodka as I feel it gives more aroma to the sauce. And instead of heavy cream, I'm using Pepe Saya crème fraiche, which makes the sauce beautifully creamy yet slightly lighter. The pasta is packed with a combination of fresh and cooked juicy new seasoned tomatoes. Once our sauce is thick and creamy, simply add the rigatoni along with the fresh grated parmesan, tomatoes and green olives. Serve the pasta immediately with some fresh basil and a little extra parmesan.